What up, fellas? We're on Pistachio Pro Cherry Blossom Festival. Here we go. My gosh, Toby! Wait, how did Kahuna do it? Come on, Toby, give it up! Toby, you gotta give that to Philippe! Hey, look what Papa has for you! Hey, yeah, in exchange. Hey, Papa's back! Did that just... Well done, Philippe! You did what had to be done! Well done! Well done! He's wearing that on him! Yup, we've unlocked the Mafia! We all have unlocked the Mafia. And now what are we gonna do? Give him a rubber check or something? Because that would be strange if we gave the Mafia a rubber check. You see, that's the Mafia. We need to give him a rubber check. Also, judging by the golden palette, I want to see what would really happen. It looks amazing. Alright, I gotta change back into my Paleteria outfit. Dang, the golden palette, however, looks great. I'm glad I got it back from Toby the Sea Lion. I mean, what else is next? The mastermind finding out that Philippe won the golden palette. Alright, you know, oh my gosh, here it is! Here it is! Alright, yeah, now we gotta give you a rubber check now! I love how they immediately add the golden palette pendant. Now on to him. Here it is, Robbie. 100 points. Guess I might have won the golden palette. And I wonder what the next Papa's game is gonna be. I mean, I haven't done Bakeria and Pancakeria. Yeah, but I wanted to try those out when I have enough money. But right now, I'm very short on money. Yeah, so, hopefully, I can do a good job earning some. No, I was not supposed to use key lime. Well, hello, Rattling. but I'm gonna do the best I can to get all the achievements in Papa's Paleteria. And it's gonna go out as I planned. I mean, we kinda did a good job. So I'm gonna have to get the gangs all here. And maybe wait until I reach rank 100. That's something that the same guy just did. That's the same what Jack did. But I'm gonna be like him now. Oh, hokey pokey! Fellas, my forearm is like on fire right now. So I'm gonna try and get all achievements in Papa's Paleteria. And maybe I'll do like a Paladin shenanigans, where I mess around in Papa's Paleteria. 100 points with Big Paulie. So I'm gonna try the best I can. I'm going to... Well, that was how it would be tipped. Tip it right here. Then move the angle right here, and then BAM! Watch as Hank rates 163. And I'm gonna try and achieve the goal. So, believe me, fellas, I am so obsessed with Papa's Paleteria, and yet I got way too good at this game. Except for the one part where I got Alan akumatized. Hey, remember that part when I accidentally messed up Alan's order and then got him akumatized? I doubt this is gonna be the same exact thing. Or maybe not. Alright. I think it's time we go for the gold. And get all the achievements in Papa's Paleteria. So, we're gonna use different... like dragon scale. That was a lot of fun playing Papa's Paleteria, but I'm gonna go for the gold. But we got Sarge Fan coming.